You're welcome back to another video. It's Shad here, and if you are new, hit the subscribe button and hit the notifications bell. We are closing in on 2,000 subs, so please help us out by hitting the sub button. Probably have been using Discord for a few months or even years now, and you may not have discovered that there is hidden features within Discord that can be triggered using a key or a set of keys. Today, we will be showing you 5 different secret features within Discord that you might not have heard of, including some with visual effects, and even a rare chance of getting a rare event. So let's start the video. First secret can be opened by using the control key and then the / key. This will open up the hotkey list for executing Discord commands, but there is something that is hidden behind that, and I will show you in just a bit. As you can see, it is a 4-key keyboard that makes music when you press all 4 of the arrow keys. Let's move on to the next secret. The next secret that I am going to show you can be acquired by staying on the commands page and typing HH, right arrow, then NK. You will see this Street Fighter sort of thing, which is honestly pretty cool. The third feature can be activated by pressing the Discord home button 15 times until you hear the sound Discordio. When you restart the client, it will load up sound Discordio on startup. In order to turn it off, just press the Discord home button 15 more times, and you should hear an end call sound, meaning you have disabled the feature. The next feature is for when your server has been boosted. In order to see this feature, hold your mouse over the boost icon message and there might be a chance of Wumpus popping up. As you can see, Wumpus just popped up. Last Discord secret feature is the rare Discord ringtone, which there is a 1 in 1,000 chance of getting that ringtone in a Discord call. Once again, thanks for watching the video, and I hope you learned something new today. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, since it takes me ages to make one of these, so good karma will be appreciated. And have a good one.